I've got a border salsa for you that goes with everything, even burgers. Stay tuned, we'll be right back with a super easy step-by-step recipe. Hola amigos, welcome back to Tex-Mex at Home. Today we're making super easy border-style red salsa, Salsa Roja de la Frontera. It takes about 10 minutes and requires minimal effort, has big flavor and tastes delicious on everything. Tacos, eggs, burgers, or just chips and salsa. For more Tex-Mex recipes, visit us at texmexathome.com. Now let's get started. This recipe makes about 1 cup of salsa. For this salsa, you will need 2 teaspoons of oil, 1 large tomato, 3 jalapeños, 1/8 of a white onion, and half a teaspoon of salt. We cut a large tomato in half and remove the stems from the jalapeños. If you want your salsa mild, you can remove the seeds and veins from 1 or 2 of them. We cut a large onion into 8 pieces and set 1 piece aside. If you're enjoying this recipe, remember to hit like and subscribe so we can keep cooking together. Set a pan over medium heat and add the oil, tomatoes, jalapeños, and onion. Then cover the pan. Don't let the pan heat up before adding your ingredients. Let everything cook for about 10 minutes. At the 5-minute mark, give it a stir and flip the tomato. Then let it cook for another 5 minutes. Transfer everything to a blender, add your salt, and blend until the salsa is completely smooth. And that's it. Border-style red salsa. You can use it on burgers, tostadas, gorditas, or just as an appetizer with chips. I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you want more Tex-Mex at Home recipes, hit like, subscribe, and tap the notification bell so you never miss a new one. I've been ready to try this all day. Now let's give it a try. Perfecto. I'll see you in the next one. Hasta luego.